Hey, have you ever done the thing where you know you're going down a big mountain road and you just put it in neutral and just let it drift? Aiming for that apex. Apex! Oh, there it is! That's what we're doing right now. Oh shit. Bro. So it becomes a game of, do I really need the brake? Vindication for what I've been saying for years. Because you don't want to lose that speed that you got. So it's a fun little exercise if you're ever out and about. Uh-oh. Flat spot, and it says be prepared to stop. That's not great. I think there's actually a red light here. One of those temporary red lights. Yep, there is. And it's red. But it's fairly steep where it's red, so probably be fine. Red light, red light. Da, 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 da. This camera gets dirty faster than any camera I've ever seen. Hey, what does a flat rock and a flat woman have in common? They both get skipped. It's pretty funny. That's all the dad jokes I know. Oh, look, we got a green light. Hurry, no throttle. It's still in neutral. Right now, Dad's like, why is he not going? I am going. I'm using green power. Look, I'm already up to 25, and these are pretty sharp curves, so I'm actually going to use a little brake right there. There we go. Up to 30 now. Pushing 40 miles an hour now. I have to brake a little bit for this one. It's a sharp little turn right there. Go through there at about 30. Go over here. Touch that. Aiming for that apex. Apex. Oh, there it is. Gotta get the apex of this one too. We're starting away. Diving in here to the inside. Let it drift on out there to the yellow line. Get back over here in position for this one. And repeat, repeat, repeat. Just don't go all the way over there because you get run over. A little waterfall here to the left, I think. Yep. I see him back there, but he's just like fiddling. Oh shit, bro. See, that's a perfect example of not being over there on the yellow line. If I'd been over on the yellow line, that would have been way more exciting. The way it was just like, oh shit, that's a big truck. But if I'd have been over there on the inside of the curve, that could have got really, really exciting. Vindication for what I've been saying for years. Trailhead, Big East Fork. I feel like hiking's what you do when you don't really have any hobbies that are more fun in nature. So you just go walk around in it. I let it slow down here so I don't grind the crap out of the gears. Because we're down the level ground now. There we go. Alright, so game over. I win, as always. Have a good day.